Okay, I tested this out and now I want to share it with you. So I'm in an assessment, and what I want to show you is how to add a text annotation piece to it. And I know it's not ideal. If Schoology would just add the ability for students to type on something, I wouldn't have to do this, but kind of go around another way. So I'm going to choose a file upload type question. Okay, so I'm going to go file upload, and I'm going to type some very simple directions. Click the link to access the article. You will have to make a copy. Follow the directions, download a copy, then upload your answer, upload your document here. All right, now I want to add the article. So here's my article, here are my directions. I'm going to share this though. Right now it's only private. I'm going to change it to anyone with the link. Perfect. Copy the link. Go back to my assessment, and I have to click. You can't just copy and paste the link. Won't work. You have to use this. Okay, so I'm going to paste the URL here, but notice this says edit, sharing, delete that, right? Copy instead. Display the text. Click here for the article. All right, and I'm going to say okay. Here shows me the text. It's blue, and I have the hand, which means it's clickable. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else right now. I am just going to click save. All right, there's my question type. This one was the first sample, which didn't work, so I'm going to delete this question. Now I want to go to the student view of this. So here I am as the student. I'm going to go into this assessment, and all I want to do is look for this one specific question. Okay, so I'm going to start an attempt. And I'm just trying to find the question that I'm looking for. Since I made them random, I can't just go to the last question. This helps me minimize cheating to some degree, ideally not perfect. Here we go. Late directional terms quiz. Here's the question I want. It says, click here for the article. Make a copy. Yes, please. Here are my directions. Underline one word you don't know. Okay, so I'm going to say that I don't know the word paramecium. I'm going to underline it. Then it says look it up and add a definition as a comment. So I'm going to go to dictionary.com. I'm going to search for paramecium. Search for paramecium here, find the definition. Okay, and I'm going to copy that text, Control C, go back to my document that I'm working on, add a comment, paste the definition, so add the comment. There's the first. Highlight in yellow the sentence that tells you where amoeba live. So here we go. They live in fresh water. I'm going to underline the whole sentence as per the direction. Okay, highlight color, I wanted yellow. Go back to the direction. Highlight in blue the vocabulary word that means water pump. Here we go. Contractile vacuole, that means water pump. I'm going to highlight that in blue. And add an image of an amoeba under the paragraphs. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to search in images. Okay, and I am going to look for amoeba. And okay, so we'll say I like this picture. And I'm going to copy the image, go back to my assignment, paste it. There we go. All right, now my next direction is save. Okay, so I have to download, and I want to download a Microsoft Word document. Now I go back to my test. I completed the annotations. I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to go into my downloads. Here is my copy of the sample protozoa. I'm going to open it. And that's it, okay? And I am going to go to review. I'm going to submit this, even though I know it is not complete, okay? Because I want to see what that question looks like from the teacher perspective. So yes, I still want to submit it. I'm going to go back to the teacher perspective. Okay, here it is. And I'm going to go to grading. And here it says needs grading. All right, so we'll see what it looks like from teacher perspective. Okay, so gives me a link right here. I'm going to have to download that file and open it. And here's my student's work. Okay, so again, not ideal, but it does give you the option for students to have a lot more flexibility in an assessment in terms of modifying